Hey guys, welcome back to Little Piece of Heaven Farm. Today I'm going to talk about the Sunflower High 22 challenge. You probably saw my video a while back where I got some seeds, sunflower seeds from John Will It Grow, and they kind of got crushed in the mailing system. Well, he sent me some replacement seeds, and this time they're in a padded envelope, which I suspect they will all survive, because previously it was just in a regular letter envelope, so when it goes through the mailing system it just gets crushed. Well, in the padded envelope, looks like every single one of them made it. Not a single one has been crunched. So I'm going to plant probably just 4, and then later on when the weather gets warmer out I will direct seed probably 4 more. Kind of do a little comparison and see how they do. So I'm going to go ahead and get 4 of these planted. Alright, I got 4 of them planted, and looks like I'm back into this challenge. I want to give thanks for John from Will It Grow for sending me some replacement seeds so I could do this challenge. And I'll give you updates throughout the growing season on their progress. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.